If Monday.com is showing an error loading the dashboard, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the simplest solution first, then move through the most common browser and connection issues that can stop Monday.com from loading properly. If this tutorial helps you get back into your workspace, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. All right, let's jump in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the dashboard just fails to load because of a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is all it takes. Click the refresh button in your browser or use the reload shortcut on your keyboard and see if Monday.com loads normally. If that does not fix it, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account and sign back in. This helps reset your session and can clear out login problems that may be affecting the dashboard. Once you sign back in, give the page a moment to fully reload and check whether the issue is gone. If the dashboard still won't open, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause loading errors, especially on web apps like Monday.com. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is working. If possible, switch to a different network, such as mobile data, another Wi-Fi connection, or a more stable internet source. Then return to Monday.com and test again. Now let's move on to browser extensions, because these are a very common cause of dashboard loading issues. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner, then go to Extensions and open Manage Extensions. From there, look for ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any other extension that might interfere with Monday.com. Turn those extensions off temporarily, then refresh Monday.com and check if the dashboard loads correctly. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn that off next. VPNs and proxies can sometimes trigger access problems or slow down how Monday.com connects to its servers. After disabling the VPN or proxy, refresh the page again and see if the dashboard opens normally. If none of those steps work, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent Monday.com from loading properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select Cache and Cookies, then clear the data. After that, fully restart your browser and sign back into Monday.com. Once the browser restarts, open Monday.com again and check the dashboard. In many cases, clearing the cache and cookies removes the error and restores normal access. If you're still seeing the same issue, try opening Monday.com in an incognito or private window. This can help you quickly test whether the problem is being caused by extensions, cookies, or browser settings. If Monday.com works in incognito mode, then the issue is usually related to something in your normal browser session. You can also try a different browser entirely, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes the problem is isolated to one browser and works fine in another. That simple test can save you a lot of time and help narrow down the cause. If the dashboard is still not loading after all of that, the problem may be on Monday.com's side. You can check their status page or try again a little later if there is a temporary outage. So, to quickly recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, check your internet or switch networks, disable browser extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and clear your cache and cookies. I hope this helped you fix the Monday.com error loading dashboard. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.